Hello everyone. Today we have a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. This does have a rebuilt, rebranded title. It did have some front end damage. You can see we've gotten it all squared away and taken care of. The LED lights look like they're flickering because the refresh rate on the camera is faster than the human eye, so they don't really look like that, they just look solid. But at any rate, it does have a 3.6 liter V6, 24 valve. Okay, I'll show you under the hood. We'll go ahead and close that up. I'll take you for a tour. They do have tow hooks right there across the front. The cooler is in a honeycomb pattern. You got both LEDs, headlights, and fog lights on this one. You have turn indicators built into the mirrors. Close-up of the wheels. You also have a tow hook, or excuse me, a tow package under this one, and dual exhaust. There's your spare tire and your jack kit, your speakers, and your power outlet. And let's go ahead and touch that. Let the hatch come on down. Oh, I did notice there was a little bit of white discoloration that has accumulated here. I'm sure that that could be touched up. Go ahead and take a listen. And it does have the air conditioner running right now. If we open this up, you'll see everything's black leather with red stitching. And you do have the paneled accents. I guess it's kind of a brushed metal look, is how I would describe it. Right here you have your lock and unlock. Lock your windows, your power windows, your left and your right mirrors. You have your seat controls, it's branded by Jeep, and you see that it is the Trailhawk edition. And the sporty leather seats that are black with the red stitching. And you step inside. It's very welcome because it's a very hot day. See, we have where we can adjust the lights. And there's your gas cap. And right now, we have it running. You see it has 15,471 miles on it. I'm going to go ahead and use the push button restart so that you can see the startup sequence. And this is being toggled right here on the wheel. Between speedometer, your radio, your dynamics, 15.2 average miles per gallon, tire pressures. You also have push to talk. You can also shift up or down here, these paddles. And that goes in tandem with, you'll see on the shifter, you have park, reverse, neutral, drive, and manual. That's where you would use those. While we're down here, we can show that you have your four-wheel drive low, running in sand, snow, mud, rock, automatic, and your other settings. You do have a key fob. This is a good thing because it's keyless start, push start. That is located right here. Over here you have your climate controls, recirc, AC. I can turn this down a little bit so you can hear me better, but it is hot outside. You can also turn off your parking sensors, your eco, that saves you on gas mileage, your sport, if you wanted to turn that on, your traction control. You come up here to your display. On your touchscreen display, you have your media that you can go to your phone through USB, aux, or Bluetooth. You can also jump to your maps for your GPS. You can control your climate from here. Okay, let's not do that too long. I'll roast in here. Okay, and then you can also do your cooled or heated seats. Here's your heated seats, your vented seats, and your heated wheel. When I go to your backup camera, you can jump like that. Okay. You can also jump to your apps. You have your SOS signal that you can send, your vehicle user guide, so that you can learn to use all these controls. You can program your home, work, where you want to go to. You just want to go to an intersection in a city. If you want to connect to your phone, I'm not going to connect it to my phone, we'll connect it to your phone. And I have FM, AM, and Sirius XM, and obviously whatever is on your phone. You also have power down here in your center console. And show you a look back there. Go back there in just a minute. Here are your overhead controls. And so we can control the back hatch from here, overhead lighting. We can also control our presets here, and we can vent or auto open this massive sunroof. And that is how you do that. Go ahead and close that back up. Okay. So we'll go ahead and hop out. I can show you one more feature of the back seat. Before we go to the back seat, I wanted to show you the VIN. So they do have the cup holder / armrest that can flip down. Once again, all wrapped in leather. Here we have the rear power for the back seat, and you also have 2 USB ports, and then you also have 2 heated seats in the back. These can also fold down for a massive amount of storage. And there you have it, our 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.